Hello, everyone. So today we have a special guest, Vlad, the founder of buddy.tours, the AI travel guide. So, Vlad, it's nice to have you here today. And can you tell us more about your product, how you got this idea? What is buddy.tours?
Hello, everybody. The idea is quite simple. Like many of you, I like to travel, and sometimes it's challenging to discover places around you, especially if you need to just dig deep inside the information, check sites, reviews, and so on. Or you need to find proper applications that will justify your expectation, or you need to hire a local guide. And that's why I've decided to create buddy.tours. It's quite simple mobile application, but inside, deep on the roof, it combines the power of regular database and knowledge, and also uses AI superpower for customizing and adapting information to be tailored right to your needs. So you can expect that your mobile guide that always with you knows almost everything about any like remarkable place, point of interest around the globe, and can tell you about the place the way, your very own way, the way you like it, mentioning the only information you need to be mentioned in language you know, in the manner you know, in manner you prefer, and the way you need it. This is the basic idea.
Okay, so for example, if I'm traveling and for example I'm in Paris, right, and I'm standing next to a church or some buildings which have some histories behind that. So your app can find information about this place, and it can
Yeah, so yes, of course. So
customize.
there are
Okay, so it can customize the message based on the preference. For example, I speak a certain language, and I have, for example, I have some preferences. I want this to be short because I don't have a lot of time, right? So I can customize that, and also this app has information about the place, and it can provide the voice kind of.
Yes, exactly. Initially, you're making some setup. You're just letting the application know if you need the descriptions of the places to be brief or in details. If the narration should be like more like simple facts or like more storytelling. In language you prefer, like talk to me in German and quick, and app will consider it. And also you can provide your feedback to each and every place description, like letting the application know if you liked it or no. And the model will, during the time, the model will learn and adapt to your preferences.
Okay. So yeah, great. So actually, when I'm traveling, sometimes I take some tours or guides, and it's always same story for 20 people, right? But 20 people in the group are different, right? And here you have
Yes, and
20 different stories
people.
tailored to the needs of the.
Exactly. People are different, and guides are also very different. What I can promise is if the buddy.tours will try to sell you something, they're not going to manipulate it, it's going to make it transparent. Because in some countries, the most interest of the guides is to sell you something regardless your interest. And I believe the application, my guide should act in my best interest, not in somebody else.
Yeah, okay, great. Okay, so then, yeah, it's really a cool app, and I would use that in my next trip. So, can you tell us more about the journey, how you implemented that? So, what features you used of Grid4AI? Because, yeah, we noticed that you have the growing base of your users and the growing demand for the AI. We noticed that. That's why we reached you out. Just wanted to learn your experience. So, can you let us know which features of Grid4AI you used? Yeah, maybe.
Sure. What I need to mention, first of all, it is really good to be able to compare different models, right, like instantly or quickly, because we know the most popular models are presented on the market, and everywhere you need to just to create account, to set up your own connection with the API to fulfill your balance and so on. So if you want to compare two models, you'll from two vendors, you'll need to create two accounts, top
Yeah.
up the account, set up API connection, and so on. Grid4AI makes you able to compare the models really quickly. And the other stuff I liked is meta prompting that makes your like the process of prompt engineering, like the journey of prompt engineering, a bit simpler and more transparent. And the other thing I liked is you can see how much you spent right inside the UI. So it's also quite useful feature.
Yeah, okay. Just to summarize, so first you can easily select which model with which settings suits you better, right? By using the compare tool of Grid4AI. And then
Yes, you instantly see the quality of the responses, the latency, the amount of money you spend for all the options. And that's it.
Yeah, okay. And then you can combine your prompt and you can have the API for this prompt, not just having this on your side. So you always can iterate,
Yes.
have different prompts on the meta prompts page of Grid4AI. Okay, great.
Exactly.
So yeah, just to announce, we are adding the voice models this week, and we agreed to have the pilot with you, as you remember. So
Yep.
would be nice to have a feedback from you on the voice models as well. So we're constantly improving that, and also we added new models. So just stay tuned. Yeah, and maybe you have any ideas how we could improve the
I'm sharing with you. I instantly sharing the ideas with you. Thanks for the connections. According to the voice models, I'm looking forward for it because the one I use now are quite expensive. So I'm really need to explore other options.
Yeah. Okay. So at Grid4AI, we try to provide the best developer experience at the lowest cost because we know that it's important, especially for the startups, to pay as you go, as you grow, right? And we're growing with you guys. So thank you very much for that. And yeah, really nice app. So please, everyone, check this right under the description below. And yeah, see you and good luck with your startup. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. See you later. Bye.
Bye.